Hello, word. I'm Alex, your friendly word enthusiast, and welcome to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is claim. It's a B1 level verb, and it means to demand as a right. So, what does it really mean to claim something? Well, imagine you found a lost wallet. You could claim it by proving it belongs to you. Essentially, it's asserting your ownership or right to something. It's used in everyday language whenever we're talking about asserting rights, demanding something we believe we're entitled to, or even stating something as a fact. Think about insurance claims, land claims, or even just claiming the last slice of pizza. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for claim. One synonym is assert. For example, she asserted her innocence throughout the trial. Another one is declare. You might hear, the company declared bankruptcy after years of losses. We also have maintain. Consider this sentence. He maintained that he was telling the truth. Another good synonym is allege. A common usage would be, the newspaper alleged corruption within the government. And finally, consider profess. For instance, she professed ignorance of the whole affair. Each of these words conveys a similar sense of stating something firmly, but they also have subtle differences in nuance. Assert is a strong statement of fact. Declare often has a formal tone. Maintain suggests persistence. Allege implies an unproven statement, and profess can sometimes imply insincerity. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of claim. One antonym is deny. For example, he denied all the accusations against him. Another is refute. Consider this sentence. The scientist refuted the outdated theory with new evidence. We also have reject. You might hear, the company rejected his application for the job. Another good antonym is disclaim. This is often used legally, like this. The website disclaims any responsibility for the accuracy of user-generated content. And finally, renounce. For instance, the prince renounced his claim to the throne. These antonyms illustrate the opposite of asserting or demanding a right. They represent a rejection or relinquishing of it. So, how can we use claim in everyday life? Well, you might claim that you deserve a raise at work because you've consistently exceeded expectations. Or you might claim that your sports team is going to win the championship. You can claim a seat on a bus if you got there first. You might even claim that you're the best cook in your family. Common expressions include make a claim, as in I want to make a claim on my insurance policy, or claim responsibility, as in the terrorist group claimed responsibility for the attack. Here are some more examples of claim in sentences and phrases. She claimed that she saw a ghost in the old house. The company claimed to have invented a revolutionary new product. He claimed his lost luggage at the airport. They claimed victory in the election despite the close results. The lawyer helped him claim compensation for his injuries. You can claim tax relief on certain expenses. The artist claimed ownership of the painting. Don't claim ignorance if you already knew about it. The politician claimed that he would lower taxes. She claimed all the attention at the party. Let's quickly recap. Claim, a B1 level verb, means to demand as a right. We explored synonyms like assert, declare, maintain, allege, and profess. We also discussed antonyms like deny, refute, reject, disclaim, and renounce. And we looked at how to use claim in everyday conversations and various contexts. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word claim and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.